Hi, very good morning to you, my sweet English lovers. Today we are just going to do something special. Special පුතේ විශේෂ අපි අපුර දානවා special සුවිශේෂ විශේෂ වල ඉස්සරහට අවියන් විශේෂ වල ඉස්සරහට සුයන්න කෙනකොට සුවිශේෂ special ඉස්සරහට අපි එකක් දානවා පුතේ special. I'm going to tell you, I'm going to just share කරන පුතේ බෙදා හදා ගන්නවා how to make a creamy pasta but eggless without eggs. Eggless wireless via එකක් නෑ right. So පුතේ capless means this capless පුතේ මේක මෙහෙම වහන එකක් නෑ capless right there. We will meet many headless people in the world. Headless ඔළුව නෑ sakabum no headless right. So like that dadless wireless so eggless right. So let's make our pasta. Then I must tell you the things that we need, the ingredients. So do you know how to? ඔයා දන්නවද කොහොමද කියලා sentence plan එක අපි use කරන? Do you know how to? So අතර මේ pasta එක හදන්න පුතේ sentence plans ඕනි, grammar we need sentence plans, grammar, prepositions, conjunctions, and the other ingredients, right? So onion, I will chop them with the help of Tilly and my kids. Mini pieces, mini chuji onions and green chili. That seedless පුතේ seedless මේවනේ අතනේ අමුමිරිස්සල අතනේ how to make that seedless green chili අතනේ අමුමිරිස්සල දාගන්න පුතේ කපලා අත අයින් කර ගන්න ඕනේ. Then you can find greenless not greenless actually seedless green chili. So this is my first cookery program, so I might have some mistakes, you can recorrect. And butter, olive oil, and we got cheese also. And then I will say you the other specials. We need pepper, salt, like that, and two lovely friends we need. They will support us, right? First and foremost, I will show you my pasta. I will boil this for today. I boil this for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. I boil this for 10 minutes with 5 liters of water. But they have mentioned in the packet that we have to use 5 liters of water. 5 liters of water with this 10 minutes I boil. We are putting pasta not for the cool water. While it's boiling, we have to put pasta, right? So kind of pasta. It's like little stripes. And then, by the way, we will keep it away and put it. I found lovely thing. This is not actually corn flour. This is, I have mentioned you in my sessions Pute. I made this by chance, but I'm not promoting anything Pute. I'm promoting English and humanity. We always promote English and humanity. I saw this by chance Pute. Arrowroot powder. You know arrowroot chudikale. We all have eaten arrowroot with coconut. Arrowroot. It's full of fiber. කෙන්දි ගොඩක් තියෙනවා. සමහරට දත්තස්සේ මෙහෙම කෙන්දි යනවා එකේ. arrowroots පුතාලා දන්නවද arrows කියන්නේ? ඒ කියන්නේ ඒක මේ පුතාලගේ region එක පුතාලගේ ප්‍රදේශය අනුව කොහොම කියනවද කියලා මම දන්නේ නැහැ. හොලන් කියලා කියන්නේ පුතේ. ඒකෙන් හදපු powder එකක්. It's very පුතේ. It has egg protein. We are mentioning that pure arrowroot powder. I think this will be this is veggie meal, 100% veggie, and we can use this as a substitute for eggs. They are telling that 20 grams of this equals to 5 to 4 eggs, right? So පුතේ මේ සත්තු මස් මාළු කන එක නෙමෙයි වැඩේ, right? The thing is පුතේ ඔබට එහෙම ලස්සන සිතක් තියෙනවා නම් මරු දැන් මේක කිසිම සතෙක් ගෑවිලාවක් නැහැ පුතේ. මේ මිනිස්සෙක් ඕනි හැබැයි හදන්නයි තව මිනිස්සු ඕනි උදව් කරන්න. මේවා හදන්නත් මිනිස්සු ඕනිනේ පුතේ. එහෙම නැතුව පුතේ මේ සත්තු කතාව නෙමෙයි. මේ ඔබ you may criticize someone. ඔබ කාට හරි බනිනවා කියමු, ඔබ කවුරු හරි විවේචනය කරනවා කියමු පුතේ. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔබ මේ මිනිස්සයාගේ මස් කනවා හා සමානයි, right? ඔක්කොටම කලින් මිනි මස් කන එක නතර කරන්න පුතේ. ඊට පස්සේ අනිත් දේවලුත් නතර කරලා ඔක්කොම නතර කරලා then you will have the relaxation. Okay, so by the way, then 20 grams of this putte. This has no GMO. It means that there is no any modified thing on this. Then I've kept them here. And green chili, okay. Now I'm going to get some hot water putte. I'm going to get some hot water. I will put butter here. And it's better to chop garlic first. Then I'm going to chop these 3 pieces of garlic. Really help me to make this. So I'm going to chop my garlic. Okay, now I'm going to add garlic and hot water to this bowl. I'm giving a little bit of hot water. Now it's all right, and then I'm going to put some butter. Then here I'm adding patio. Menna dana. Here I'm adding. Menna dana. 1, 2. 3 nuts are waiting to eat this. 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. The butter is easily melting with hot water. Okay, but now I'm going to add that arrowroot powder. Hulan kiri walin hadapu powder ekak putte. It looks like corn flour. Just 20 grams maybe. Now I'm going to mix. I think it's better to use this for mixing. So I'm going to add some more arrowroot powder into this, and now I'm adding green chili and onion into this. If you want, you can boil this petal. If you want, you can boil this. Now I'm mixing. Here we go. Now I'm mixing. Okay, now I'm going to add cheese for these cheese pieces. As your choice, you can use anything else. If you like, you can boil this for a little bit of time, just 2 minutes, 5 minutes, like that. But it's not compulsory. It's not necessary. And I'm going to add salt. Is this a salt one? So it looks like a face of a piggy, right? I'm going to add some salt. It's not working anyway, so I will get from this side pedal. We need salt anyway, no? Yes. Little bit, pinch of salt, right? Usually, if you know how to cook, you add sugar, you add salt with hand. Chef, if you are a good chef, Latino, strawberry, you might be laughing at me. Okay, now it's like this. Now we are getting the big bowl. If not, this will go out of this. And better to add some pepper. I'm going to add some pepper. After putting pasta and all that, if we put pepper, it will be very difficult to mix. So I got not actually pepper dust. I'm getting, this will be smarting. Smarting can baba katadan nallanat ida tiyenawa, but green chilies without seeds, so it will not be smarting. Smarting can katadana. Little spicy. Spicy can put the katata sara, strict can sara. My dada is strict, not my dada is spicy, right? So now I'm using the hand. Is it all right? I have a fork. Okay, then I'm putting these pasta. Those are like ribbons. So as this is a family eating meal, I'm just using my hands. If you are serving this for someone else, you have to use gloves or something. But for my kids and Tilly, it's all right. I'm always touching them, so it's all right. So now I'm adding this. So you have to mix like this. I can teach in a pink condition, but I don't know whether I can cook in a pink condition. But whoever eats, it's yummy. Whoever eats can put kana aya nam kiyana rasai kiyala. So anyway, now it's finished. I've already made that, by the way. Can I have a minute to wash my hands? And Puthe, at the end of the day, you have to clean everything. Huh? At the end of the day, you have to clean everything unless your loved ones will be helpless. Remember, right? If you cook or whatever you do, Puthe, if what monakarat, remember, Baba, may uyabu then ask if not may, my loved ones take a karadera. Some people cook, we are not, Rasa to know, but Askaran, Tabaka, Tumata, then it morning, Baba, Ikadakne. Will you let them clean කරන්න එතකොට අර මිනිස්සුන්ට කාලා සතුටු නැත්නම් යා කාලේ වෙනකොට අම්මිට වෙල දෙනවා තාත්තට වෙල දෙනවා නෝනට වෙල දෙනවා දරුවන්ට වෙල දෙනවා but අම්මා ඉව වගේ නෙමෙයි දෙවෙනි අම්මා ඉව වගේ නෙමෙයි තුන්වෙනි අම්මා ඉව වගේ නෙමෙයි අම්මා දෝනි බිරිඳ ඉව වගේ නෙමෙයි පුතේ usually when the boys cook I mean not the chefs right ඉවට පස්සේ මේ අස් කරන්න වෙන කෙනෙක් වුණත් ඒගොල්ලන්ට කාලෙවිල්ල මේ ඉතුරු ඒවා අස් කරන්න වෙන එහෙම වැඩක් නැහැ cook well and keep your pantry in a pink condition so today I jumped into Tilly's pantry and I did a mess but I think it's not a mess Pute. So may your all colorful aspirations come through. I'm just doing this to teach you පුතාලට ලස්සන වචනයක් උගන්වන්න. මේ promote වෙන්නේ food වත් මොනවා හරි meal එකක්වත් නෙමෙයි පුතේ මේ promote වෙන්නේ English humanity and intimacy. Right? Do you know how to අදන්න දෙයක් දෙයක් කරන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා? I'm going to මම යම් දෙයක් කරන්න හදනවා adding එකතු කරන ingredients අවශ්‍ය ද්‍රව්‍ය onion green chili ඒවා පුතාලා දන්නවා. Right? So better you can put this on the heart. Lipay තියලා චුට්ටක් මේක heat කරගත්තට කමක් නැහැ. Anyway, this will be tasty. But you see that the chef is laughing at me. Chef is laughing at me. So are you laughing at me? Huh? Are you laughing at me? Anyway, your happiness is my happiness. Let's meet with the next recipe, next lesson. Good luck all of you. May all sweet aspirations come. Have a lovely Saturday. Bye bye. Bye-bye.